Hi, I'm going to show you the granny square tutorial. You will need 3.5mm crochet hook, scissor and darning needle. To start, you will do a slip knot, chain of 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and slip stitch in the first chain, chain of 3, 3, and add 2 double crochet. Chain of 2 and 3 double crochet. Repeat chain of 2 and add 3 double crochet. Chain of 2 and add 3 double crochet. Pull the tail of the yarn, chain of 2 and slip stitch in the third chain. 1, 2, 3. Chain of 4, 3, 4, and 3 double crochet in the corner. Chain of 2, 3 double crochet in the same space. Chain 1 and 3 double crochet in the corner. Chain of 2 and 3 double crochet in the same space corner, and repeat chain of 1 and then repeat 3 double crochet, chain of 2 and 3 double crochet. Three, chain 1 and 3 double crochet in the last space corner, 2 and 3, chain of 2, 1 and 2, and add 2 double crochet in the same space corner, and slip stitch in the third chain. Chain 3, 3, add 2 double crochet, chain 1 in the corner. You will do a 3 double crochet, 3, chain of 2, 1 and 2, and 3 double crochet in the same space corner. Chain 1 and 3 double crochet, chain 1, and in the space corner you will repeat 3 double crochet, chain of 2, 3 double crochet and chain 1, and at the end 2, 3, chain 1 and slip stitch in the third chain. One, 2, 3, 4, 3 double crochet in the next space here. So the chain of 4 is counted as double crochet and chain 1, so it's chain of 4 and then 3 double crochet, chain 1, and in the corner space do a 3 double crochet, chain of 2, 1 and 2, and 3 double crochet. and repeat chain 1, 3 double crochet and chain 1 in this space here and here, and in the corner repeat 3 double crochet, chain of 2 and 3 double crochet. So now we're at the end. We will do a 2 double crochet in this space here, 1 and 2, and then we will slip stitch in the third chain. This is the chain of 4 at start. It's considered as double crochet and chain of 1, so we will slip stitch in the third chain, slip stitch. So we are now going to round 5, chain of 3, okay, and add 2 double crochet, and chain of 1, and then in the next space 3 double crochet, 3, chain 1, and in the corner you will repeat 3 double crochet, chain of 2, 3 double crochet and chain 1. And you can adjust the speed of this video. You can click the settings and you can slow it down so you will understand. Here you will do 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain of 1, and in the corner you just repeat 3 double crochet, chain of the 3 double crochet and chain 1, and just repeat. And when you're at the end you will do a 3 double crochet, and then chain 1 and slip stitch in the third chain. And after that you just need to slip stitch in the third chain and chain and cut the yarn.